Welcome, everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. Today, we are going to really take a lot of time um, sharing on how to manage your bulk SMS marketing and make a lot of sales using Serlzo. So today is one of the days where we get to go live and share extensively Serlzo and how you can use Serlzo software to make a lot of sales. So in today's episode, I will be working on how you can use bulk SMS marketing to make a lot of sales for yourself. And of course, you will be asking, what does the bulk SMS feature allow me to do? What does it provide us with? What can we achieve with the bulk SMS feature? And that's some of the things, excuse me, I'm going to take a bit of time to share right here on this call. So if you stay with me long enough, you will learn how to do it well enough. All right. So, and that's what we'll be doing today. Just to confirm, if you guys can hear me, can I get a comment in the comment section with my audio clear? Number one way to know. All right. All right. I'll be sharing my screen to just walk us through it. 30 minutes or less to get a good hang of it. It's a proper demo and intensive demo. And you guys will be seeing everything from bottom up. Okay. You guys can hear me. My audio is loud and clear. All right. Okay, cool. Makes sense. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. So I'm going to share my screen right now and walk us through. If you are watching this video and you don't have a Salesforce account, it's very simple. I'll be pasting the link to get your Salesforce account somewhere around this video shortly. And then when you get your Salesforce account, the major thing you have to do is to make sure that you have your active account up, right? It takes you less than 2 minutes to sign up on Salesforce. And when you do sign up on Salesforce, you'll be required to activate a plan. When you activate a plan, it's also very simple process. Once you activate your plan, you get the opportunity to access all of the major features on Salesforce and do and do everything you have to do for yourself. Okay, so let's get into it. So recently, just yesterday, Salesforce launched this SMS feature and super amazing feature which definitely helps marketers and business owners like you and I sell or market, send promotional messages to our lead via text message. So the amazing thing about Serlzo is you can actually do a lot of things in the same dashboard and manage it at scale. So, but today we are only going to focus on the bulk SMS feature. If you notice here, they say who bulk SMS is live and you can send bulk SMS. But this is how to properly navigate to the bulk SMS feature from your device. All right. If you click on the lead generation tab, and then you would see automation again. This is for leads anyway. Go to automation, you will see email marketing, you will see WhatsApp marketing, and again you will see the bulk SMS marketing. Right now, click on bulk SMS. Now, there are basically just few things to note about the bulk SMS feature. First of all, you can always at any point in time buy SMS credit. And the first question is, how much is SMS credit on Telzo? Is it expensive? Is it cheap? Affordable? How much is it? Right? You're just about to find out. So here on Telzo, if you want to buy your SMS credit, it's exactly the same amount. Again, if you notice, because my default currency is set to Naira, showing me the rate in Nigerian Naira. If you want to switch your currency, you have to just come to the top part of your nav bar right here, click on the drop down and select the currency you want to switch to. For those who are not in Nigeria, let's say you are in Cameroon, you can see the Cameroon currency here. You Can use USD if you want. You can use the Zimbabwe and South Africa rand. You could use Uganda shillings, if I'm correct, or Kenya shillings, Ghana cedis, and pounds, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, AED. That's what you buy. You can choose any of these currencies if you want. Use it. So because I'm already default NGN, I can actually pay with Naira, not pay with USD or any other currency. I can actually do that. Now you click on purchase, and then you type in the amount of um, unit you want to buy. Right now on Serlzo, you have the opportunity to buy any amount, not less than 2,000 units. 2,000 units, you're going to calculate the amount I have to pay is 2,000 naira. If I want 10,000 units, just type 10,000, it's 10,000 naira. And then I can choose any of the payment gateways I want to pay with, and then click on buy. Once you click on buy, it will direct you straight up to where you need to swipe your card. Just pay the amount, and then it will credit you the credit unit you want. The last credit unit I purchased was 2,000 naira right here on the 10th of March yesterday, and I got credited. I bought another one, 2,000, and I sent a couple of messages before now. Let's go on to the send SMS, right? Which is the most important part. Send SMS part, where you get to send your SMS, right? If you click on send SMS, watch this part, you add your sender ID. Let's say my sender ID is Joshua Bar, right? Because I'm the one in this video. I want to type my message. Now, the message typing, you notice that there is a character count for me here. Every page I keep typing is 160 characters per page, right? Once I go beyond 160 counts on page two. So for bulk SMS is always one page's pricing is that you have to say it's always times two of what you take to send one is it called again? Send one message if you type in two pages. So smart enough, what you want to do is use and the words you want to use to achieve this. Hold on a minute, guys. I think I missed out going live on Instagram. I can go live. Yeah, I forgot I wasn't live on Instagram. Okay, I'm live now on Instagram. Okay, so um let's get on with it. So I need to type my message. So let's just say hello. Oh, I think I can pull up the previous message I sent out few minutes ago. Let me click on view. This is the exact message I sent out. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to close this guy. Click on send. Send the ID. Serlzo. Of course, you shouldn't use Serlzo to send your message, right? Oh, I didn't copy everything. Sadly. Okay. So anyway, this is the entire message. Copy it all. Okay. I paste the entire message. Good. I send the ID Serlzo. Now, if you notice, this is exactly 160 characters. And it is page one. And then I have to select my recipient. Now, the recipient you want to select is relative. I can decide to paste all the numbers. I select manual phone number. I can decide to paste all the numbers right here. Okay. So I can type 070, whatever, whatever, comma, the next number, comma, the next number, comma, the next number. Right? So you just have to paste all of the phone numbers and separate it with a comma. That's pretty much what you have, right? Good. So, but if you want to send it to a phone book is actually SMS where you get to save contacts and give them a name. So you can put a lot of phone numbers and just call it a name so that you can always send back to. I'll show you how to do that. And then you can select the phone book. Or if you want to send to your leads that you have already sectioned in your list section. So on Celso, I'll circle back to that area. Probably I'll circle back. Let me go there right now and show you guys before I complete this. You come to your lead generation tab right here. Zoom in a little bit. Come to lead generation tab right here. You will see lists. Yeah. Now under your list, you're going to see different lists that you've created. Come out a little bit. Okay. See all of the lists you have. I've joined, I've filled in a form on your website, or I've done something, maybe replied your message on WhatsApp, you automatically add them to a list, their name and phone number and details, right? So if I go back to bulk SMS and go to send SMS, I can then actually send to a particular list. I'm zooming in a little bit so you guys can see it very well. Let's also then I go to list, and then I can select multiple lists whether I want to send to this list, the other list, and another list, and another list. Okay, any list I want to send to. Multi-select list, right? I'm not so here it is. To pick which list should I send to for the sake of this. I'm going to send to a list. We send to I don't know the list that probably we should check a list that has um number of leads that number of users we want to send. Okay, so user coupon request. So makes sense. So I could basically out to these new users with request. Okay, so let's do that. I'll go back to automation, click on bulk SMS, and then click on send SMS, paste my message again, select my sender ID. The sender ID is the name of the person that will show that sent the message. You get the name of the person that will show that message. Yeah. Then we scroll down a little bit, recipient, select new user with coupon request. Fact. You know that type of text message that you send and the message just pops up person's phone. It doesn't just pop up, it's called flash. If I select flash, this message will go to their inbox. Come on, even if they're not with their phone, come up as a pop up. And anytime they get their phone, that's what they're going to see. But if I want to send it as text message so they can even go back to it and look at it, then it goes straight to their SMS inbox. Now we have two routes. One is sent to non-D and D only, and one is sent to both non-D and D and D, right? So the thing is now, which is we are providing this SMS gateway currently to add other platforms very soon to be able to promote to send text messages or bulk SMS messages to their native country. So but for Nigerians, there is what we call non-D and D and D and D. D and D, if your number is on D and D, that means you will naturally receive bulk SMS unless you make corporate route. Now that sounds like another big word. Corporate routes are like banks and your bank alert and all of those commercial corporate businesses. That's the only people that can send you bulk messages. So for your message to get to them, if they're on D&D, this D&D, you have to manually put it on your phone. I just set it so that you stop receiving spamming message from different people. It's mostly with MTN users, mostly with MTN users. That's why I say a lot of this happen. But for those who are not on D&D, you get to receive any kind of message at all. So to make sure that those who are on D&D receive your message, the message is also going to be piped through a corporate route to make sure that the message gets to them, right? So we want to make sure that whether they are on D&D or not D&D, they get the message. So we select send to non D&D and D&D. So I click on send. Now there is this amazing part that I like. This is the next screen. Watch. Now what Serlzo is it takes all of the phone numbers. Watch this now. There is a 9 mobile number in it, and it's only one, and that one is on D&D. You can see, right? There is 13 Airtel numbers, and all of them is non-D&D. They're going to get a message. There is 6 Glo numbers, and all of them is non-D&D. Then there's 28 MTN numbers, 24 is non-D&D, and 4 is on D&D. That means they have blocked receiving random messages. But because we have already selected that we want people on D&D to receive, Serlzo is going to push this message to corporate route and then receive your message regardless, right? And then how many total units? I'm going to spend a total of 171 SMS units to deliver this message to these people. Now, read this message. It says, all SMS sent to non-D&D MTN numbers after 8 p.m. This is a right? For MTN numbers, send the bulk SMS to an MTN number. As of now, they might probably change this, right? This wasn't here before. If you send the bulk SMS to an MTN number, right? An MTN number after 8 p.m. WAT, you're not going to get that message delivered to your phone next day by 8 a.m. Once it's 8 p.m., no more messages, continues from 8 a.m. So we have between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. every day to send messages to non-D&D MTN numbers. All right. So what's going to happen right now? So the time of recording this video is already past 8 p.m. WAT, my location. How would these people do it? So Serlzo does something very amazing. Serlzo will then collect the message, send it to every other person. And for those who are on D&D, it waits for PM. Once it's 8 a.m., it delivers the message to them. So they're going to wake up to see this message. So I will still go ahead and send the message. So I go ahead and send the message. Let's wait for Serlzo. Okay. My network still up. So the message sends, right? So this is basically, look at it. It says found some invalid numbers again, and then 20 phone numbers have been scheduled to deliver after that's tomorrow by 8:15 a.m. All right, the message is here. Operation successful, message delivered. So that's pretty much it. That's how to send SMS on Serlzo. Works like magic. And in today's video, we just want to show you how to send bulk SMS using Serlzo for your leads. And this is a thorough walkthrough of the entire experience. Then, if you have questions about Serlzo or what you could achieve with Serlzo, I would like to take in questions right now in the comment section. All right. I'm looking at the comment section right now. So if you have questions that you want to ask, I can hear you clearly. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome, I hear you clearly. If you have questions you want to ask about Celso, the call with me. So time for questions, question and answer. Okay, let's go. The question. Now, for those who are watching this video for the first time and you don't know how to get started with Celso, I'm going to help you. Now, to create an account on Celso is completely free of charge, right? It's completely free of charge, but you need to activate your account to use most of the features, right? And we have a couple of videos on our YouTube channel that will get you started. So, but here is the link to actually create your account, sign up, see what's inside, and get started. Okay. Nothing so sophisticated about it. It takes less than 1 minute to even get started on Celso. Just use the Google Auth sign up, just one click, and then your account is ready. You're already in, and then you can now proceed to doing any other that you want to do. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Any question? So on the screen right now, I'm going to put the barcode at the top right corner of the screen. That barcode is going to help you. That barcode is going to help you get access to sales. Or I think I need to put. Okay, someone has a question. How do I pitch sales to upcoming microfinance bank? I want to ask, how does it work and how does it? Okay, somebody's asking first question. Let's deal with this. How do I pitch sales to upcoming microfinance banks? It depends on their need, right? So Serlzo, first of all, is I mean, we need to know what Serlzo is. Serlzo is a marketing software for automation, automating your entire marketing process. That's what you need Serlzo for, right? Now, because it's used for only marketing purposes, for marketing. So if the microfinance has a way of dealing with their client, like client acquisition, management, following up their customers, um, s- s- sending them messages for the offers and services on WhatsApp, email. Of course, you guys know that on sales right now you can do email marketing, WhatsApp marketing, and book SMS marketing, right? Now, that's exactly what they can do with sales right now. Okay, so with this, they can actually use sales, right? So is to show them how they can use their businesses that has to do with their their communication with their customers. So first, Serlzo again is the CRM first, and then an automation, marketing automation software. So if you're able to show them the need, how they can actually just why am I looking down here? My camera is here. Actually show them how they can actually um, sync up with their customer base, send messages, promote their stuff to their customer, increase their response rate in terms of their customer relationship, and of course, use a good thing for them. So, but they can't use it for their banking operation in terms of transaction, because it's a bank system, they have their internal processes. But whatever that has to do with them and their customer and clientele, that's something for them to use. All right. So that's for that on that question. The bank needs is okay. So any other question? I can hear clearly. Question on hmm, I have this question. Okay. So good. We have the bank need fixed deposit. I'm not sure what that is. All right. Any other question, guys? One of the 30. I'll be going live consistently to walk people through how to use Elzo for their marketing. This is the one planned. My team just woke up and said, "Hey, guy, it's time. Go live." And here am I on this live stream. We're going to walk through another part of Selzo and how it's going to help people make a lot of sales. I'm going to go live again tomorrow, next tomorrow, every other day except on Sundays for the next 29 days. So join me by 9 p.m. every night, weekdays, weekdays only, and I will be here with you guys how to use Selzo to get the best of the result. Um, we'll send a DM on the okay, no problem. Someone says send me a DM, or a DM. Yeah, for those who are going to watch this video later on and want to just sign up on Selzo, this is what to sign up. This is the link to sign up on Selzo. Very easy. Like I said, it will take you less than 1 minute, and then you're in. If you sign up on Selzo, I think uh there's a special coupon code you could use. There's a special coupon code you could use to get an exclusive discount, but you see it on the inside when you're already in. So without any further ado, I'm going to wrap it up right here and we take about here. So tomorrow again by exactly 9 p.m. Nigerian time, WAT or GMT plus one, I will be right here again to walk us through how to use Salesforce for our business. We'll be talking about how it applies to real estate people, affiliate marketers, different kind of businesses. So it'll be a wrap up here. Don't miss it. Tomorrow we go again. See you and have a wonderful night rest. Bye.